Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential guide for all pet lovers out there. And we know you consider them family, and just like family, we want to bring them everywhere. But traveling with our furry, feathered or scaly friends requires a little extra preparation to ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable journey. Whether you have a dog, cat, bird or even a reptile, these tips will help make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover everything from planning your trip to keeping your pet calm and comfortable on the road. Remember, a calm and assertive leader makes for a calm and submissive pack even on the go. Just like we need our travel itinerary, our pets need us to be prepared too. Before you even book that flight or hotel, we need to make sure our destination welcomes our furry friends. Not all places are created equal when it comes to pet friendliness. Look for hotels or accommodations that specifically state they allow pets. Some places even have special amenities for them. And don't forget about airlines. Each one has its own set of rules and regulations for traveling with animals. Check their websites, make those calls, and be aware of any potential fees or restrictions. Trust me, a little planning in advance can save you a lot of headaches and heartache down the road. Remember, a calm and prepared human makes for a calm and confident pet. Now, before we embark on any adventure, a visit to the vet is non-negotiable. Think of it as a pre-trip checkup for your furry friend. Your vet will ensure all their vaccinations are up to date and can provide any necessary medications or treatments for motion sickness or anxiety. They can also give you a health certificate, which many airlines and some accommodations require as proof that your pet is fit to travel. This is especially important if you're crossing state lines or international borders. Remember, a healthy pet is a happy traveler. Just like you wouldn't want to travel if you weren't feeling well, your pet needs to be in tip-top shape to enjoy the journey. Packing for your pet is just as important as packing for yourself. Think of it this way: you're packing a bag for a family member who happens to have fur, feathers or scales. First and foremost, bring enough of their regular food and treats to last the entire trip, plus some extra just in case. Don't forget familiar food and water bowls. Changes in diet or water can upset their stomachs, especially during travel. Pack a first aid kit specifically for your pet, including any medications they take regularly. And of course, don't forget their favorite toys and comfort items. Having something familiar from home can help reduce anxiety and make them feel more secure in unfamiliar surroundings. Chapter 4. Choose the right carrier. Choosing the right carrier is crucial for your pet's safety and comfort during travel. For smaller pets like cats and small dogs, a sturdy airline-approved carrier is a must. Make sure it's the right size. Your pet should be able to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably inside. For larger dogs, a well-fitted harness and leash are essential. Look for harnesses that distribute weight evenly and provide good control without choking. No matter the size of your pet, get them accustomed to the carrier or harness well in advance of the trip. Start by feeding them treats near the carrier and gradually work your way up to short periods inside with the door closed. Remember, the carrier should be a safe and comfortable space, not a source of fear or anxiety. Chapter 5. Acclimate your pet to the carrier. We never want to force our pets into anything, especially not their carrier. That just creates fear and anxiety. Instead, we need to make the carrier a positive place, a comfortable den. Start by leaving the carrier out in the open, maybe with a favorite blanket or toy inside. Let them sniff around, explore it at their own pace. Once they seem comfortable being around it, toss in some treats or even feed them their meals inside the carrier with the door open. The key here is patience and positive reinforcement. Over time, your pet will associate the carrier with good things, making those travel days much smoother for both of you. Remember, a calm and assertive leader doesn't force, they guide. Chapter 6. Keep your pet comfortable. Traveling can be stressful for anyone, including our animal companions. That's why it's crucial to make the journey as comfortable as possible for them. During car rides, secure their carrier with a seatbelt or place it in a stable area where it won't slide around. If your dog is harness trained, use a dog seatbelt for safety. Make sure the temperature inside the car is comfortable, not too hot or too cold. Crack a window for fresh air. but avoid letting your pet stick their head out, as it can be dangerous. Regular breaks are essential for bathroom breaks, stretching their legs and burning off some energy. A tired dog is a well-behaved dog, even on the road. Chapter 7. Maintain a routine. Dogs and most pets really thrive on routine. It gives them a sense of security and stability, even when they're away from home. As much as possible, try to maintain their regular feeding and exercise schedule while traveling. If you're changing time zones, adjust their schedule gradually in the days leading up to the trip. Even short walks around a rest stop or the hotel hallway can help burn off energy and keep them calm. Remember, a tired dog is a good dog, and a dog who's fed and walked on schedule is less likely to act out or become anxious. Consistency is key. Chapter 8. Be mindful of pet-friendly accommodations. We've planned ahead and chosen pet-friendly places to stay, but being mindful goes beyond just booking the right hotel. It's about respecting the space and the rules. When you arrive at your accommodation, do a quick sniff test. Are there any lingering scents of other animals that might make your pet anxious? Keep your pet on a leash when you're in common areas like hallways and lobbies, and always clean up after them. Remember, not everyone is a pet lover, so it's our responsibility to be respectful and keep things clean and comfortable for everyone. By being mindful guests, we ensure that these places remain welcoming to our furry companions. Chapter 9. Keep identification updated. This is crucial, folks. Before any trip, make sure your pet's identification tags are up to date with your current contact information. Double-check that the information on their microchip is also accurate. In the unfortunate event that your pet gets lost, having proper identification can be the difference between a happy reunion and a heartbreaking separation. Consider getting a temporary tag with your destination phone number and address, just in case. Remember, a little precaution can go a long way in ensuring your peace of mind and your pet's safe return. Chapter 10. Stay calm and patient. Remember, our pets are like mirrors, reflecting our own energy. If we're stressed and anxious, they'll pick up on it. So the most important tip for traveling with pets is to stay calm and assertive. Your pet takes cues from you, so if you're relaxed and in control, they're more likely to be calm and well-behaved. Take deep breaths, talk to them in a soothing voice, and remind yourself that everything will be okay. Traveling with pets can be an adventure, but it's important to remember that they rely on us to be their pack leaders, guiding them through unfamiliar territory with confidence and love. Outro. Safe travels. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you and your furry, feathered, or scaly friends have a fantastic trip. Remember, traveling with your pet should be a joyful experience for both of you. With a little planning, preparation, and a whole lot of love, you can make memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more pet-friendly travel tips and advice.